area of a square. A equals s to the power 2. Humans live in a world of 3 dimensions. There is the horizontal dimension represented by the x-axis. There is the vertical dimension represented by the y-axis. And there is the depth dimension represented by the z-axis. It should be noted that these 3 dimensions take on various dimension names, like length, width, height, depth, etc. For area, we are only interested in 2 of the 3 dimensions. A square is a 2-dimensional shape, so area is what we are interested in. Parentheses, there cannot be volume for a square, because volume is a 3-dimensional measure, and a square has only 2 dimensions, end parentheses. Since all sides of a square are an equal length, to find the area, we multiply the side dimension by the side dimension, or side times side, or side raised to the power 2, or s squared. For the area of a rectangle, we commonly say length times width, or L times W. But more accurately, we are multiplying the x dimension by the y dimension. The area of a parallelogram is parentheses base and parentheses times parentheses perpendicular height and parentheses. Again, the x dimension times the y dimension. The area of a rhombus is base times perpendicular height. The area of a trapezoid is an average of the 2 base lengths times the height, or b1 plus b2, quantity parentheses, divided by 2, times height. The area of a square is the parentheses x dimension times the parentheses y dimension and parentheses, or side times side, or side squared. Related words, area of a rectangle, area of a parallelogram, area of a rhombus, area of a trapezoid.